Hey, hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be talking about one of my end-to-end project course on Azure Data Engineering. So let's see what I have covered in this course and what you will be learning in coming days. So here, if you can see, this is the course which help you to design and implement an end-to-end data engineering project using Azure services like Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, SQL, Python, ADLS Gen 2, blob storage, service principles, APIs, Azure Automation Runbook, Logic App, Azure DevOps, GitHub, GitHub Actions, and so on. Okay, and if you can see, the key highlights of this course is that learn how to build and deploy an end-to-end data engineering project on Azure, gain and hands-on experience in using Azure services such as Data Factory, Databricks, and Synapse Analytics, understand data modeling and best practices for data engineering. You will be learning explore Azure Data Platform services. You will be learning design and develop an Azure Data Pipeline that is end to end, like from sourcing till the CI/CD pipelines with some tip and tricks. Then we have transforms data using Azure Databricks. I use their autoloader and even though the Spark Read API to read the data or write the data into a data lake. Analyze data using Azure Synapse, and then best practices for data engineering, that is understand data modeling, data quality checks, deployment consideration, best practices for monitoring and maintaining your data engineering project. Then this is the course curriculum. You can see I have 12 modules and 49 sessions, and it is of more than 12 hours of content. So first chapter is introduction and architecture. We will be seeing what is the architecture of this project. Then we will be seeing Azure resources and how to create them. So these many resources I have used, like Azure Data Factory, Gen 2, blob storage, Key Vault, SPN, SQL databases, Azure Databricks, Logic App, Azure Automation Runbook, and API. All these things I have used in this project. Then we will be seeing what is the data we're gonna use and how we can upload that data into our respected source. Okay, once it is done, then we will ingest our data from multiple sources. Let's say we have CSV files, right? We have APIs, we have SQL tables, we have PDFs. So all these things I have shown it over here with some tip and tricks. This is not a very easy thing. I would suggest I have shown you some tip and tricks with the help of this, which I shown you the demo or the practical knowledge. Then we have cleansing processes and data quality check. So here I have used autoloader in Databricks, and then also I use how we can put our data quality checks in our cleanse layer using Delta. Then how we can commit the Databricks using repository feature in GitHub. Then we have create dimensions and fact tables in our Mart layer. Then we have published the data into SQL databases or SQL data warehouse using Azure Data Factory. Then we have set up complete ADF pipeline from source to publish. After that we have a scenario where we have to send data files to our end users using Logic App. So that's what I have used. So we have multiple methods. I have taught you about what are the multiple methods we have it, and then I have shown you the optimized way to send the data files to end users. Then we have run automation script using Power Automation account. So switch to SQL data warehouse and start and stop the SQL data warehouse using Azure Automation account. And moreover to this, I also taught you or give you some some other example which we need to also implement in our end-to-end project. I just gave you an idea. And then we have introduced a data quality checks layer between Mart and publish in Databricks, right? KPI layer or something like that. And then we have CI/CD deployments using Azure DevOps and GitHub Actions. So here I have used Azure Data Factory deployment, Azure Blob Storage and Gen 2 files deployment, and then we have Azure Databricks deployment using GitHub Actions. So you might be thinking, hey Sagar, why did you use both things, Azure DevOps and GitHub Actions? See, basically Azure DevOps is something like where we have to do a drag and drop, right? But using GitHub Action we have to write the code. So that's the reason I have shown you with the help of GitHub Action also some of the deployments how we can do that. And this is the demo, not a video. This is a video of architecture. It is open to all, so you can watch this video. And this is the lifetime access course. You do not need to pay again after some time, so it is a lifetime one time investment. And this is the reviews I received till now, and this is very nice reviews I received from my 4 to 5 subscribers. You can see all the reviews are very very good. And if you haven't bought this course yet, I would suggest go and buy this project. And it is like 12 hours, so I can say it will take you like 7 to 8 days to implement or build the whole project. And I'm definitely sure that you are gonna learn something new in this project, not the same thing which is already present over the YouTube. So I hope that you will buy my course. I will give you a link in the description with some promo code, so that you will also get some discount. Okay, thank you, bye bye.